Which one should I wear?
Saki, can I come in?
Sure.
I just wanted to ask... Whoa, why are your clothes all over the place? Are you going to start a fashion show?
No, I'm just picking out what to wear for a date.
Date? Date? I shouldn't be so shocked. You're not a little girl anymore. Whatever you choose, you have my full support. Follow your heart.
What? Tsukasa, why are you giving me a dad speech? Besides, it's just a date with my girlfriends.
You're just going out with your bandmates.
So, you wanted to ask me something?
Yes, about your plans for the next weekend. Our parents are going to be away on a trip. I'm doing a show then, so I won't be home either. I was worried about leaving you home alone in case something happened.
Well, you don't have to worry, because I'm going out with my bandmates on Saturday.
Great, so you'll have company.
And anyway, you worry too much. The doctor said I was fine.
Well, yes, but...
I am fine. You can go out and enjoy your weekend without being so concerned about me.
Okay, if you're sure. Just remember to look both ways before you cross the road.
I will. Tsukasa is such a worrywart. It would be terrible if I did feel unwell during the day of our outing, though. As much as I enjoy the sports club and my job, I should take it easy. I'll go to bed early today. See you later!
Hi, Saki. Did you have soft tennis?
Yeah. And you had home ec? Let's walk home together.
Sure.
So, in the end, I decided I'll wear the shorts I bought the other day, and I'll pair them with...
Huh? Your face looks really flushed.
What? Really? I don't feel like I'm running a fever. Maybe I applied too much blush?
I don't think that's it. Just to be safe, maybe you should check your temperature when you get back home.
Yeah, I'll do that. Thanks. I'm sure it's nothing though. My base temperature is normally a little bit higher than average. What if I do have a fever? I've been feeling kind of spacey now that I'm thinking about it. No matter. A good night's sleep will make it go away. Ugh. Hana was right. I had a temperature. I had better head back home early and make sure I get plenty of rest. It's from my boss? Can anyone cover these shifts? I thought the next month's schedule wouldn't be up for a while. Why are they already looking to cover shifts? Miss Yamada's kid has caught the flu, and she had to urgently take a week off from work? What? Please please let me know ASAP if you can take any of her shifts? It looks like they're struggling with finding someone to cover Saturday, but that's the day we're going to the observatory. Well, I'm busy on that day. Hello? It's Saki speaking. I'm sorry, but I can't do Saturday. I'll probably be okay if I make sure to pace myself. They really need my help. Yes, I think I can make it today. I'll head over now.
Hey, Saki. You don't have sports club today, right? Are you going home now?
Sorry, Ichi. I have to cover someone's shift at the cafe. I've got to run or I won't make it. Bye!
Oh, okay.
I have to hurry!
Saki? Where was she running off to? I'll have to remind her again to take it easy.
I really have no luck today. Why did it have to be so busy at work? It feels like my temperature's gone a little higher, too. Maybe I should cancel band practice tomorrow.
There's one condition, though. Don't start slacking off of band practice because of this trip. If I see you start to get lazy, I'm out. Got it?
If I don't go, our day trip to the observatory may be cancelled, too. I have to buckle down and somehow make it to Saturday.